This video covers how to add the water sensor to the MQTT subscriber file so you can send the level data to Adafruit and set an action based on its level. Ensure you have the water level.py and MQTT practice.py files open in Thonny. And save the MQTT practice.py file as MQTT watersensor.py in the practicals folder. The challenge is to be able to send water level data to Adafruit and feedback a message when the level is below 10,000. The Thonny IDE shows the two files to be used. You will copy lines from the water level file to paste into the MQTT file. The first task is to import the sensors module. From Unit 19 modules, import water level _module as level reader. Copy the import statement. Go to the MQTT file, locate the existing import statements and paste the new one below them. Return to the water level file and find the line that creates a connection to the sensor. This will be in the main function where other device connections are entered. Copy the line, and if you want, the comment. Go to the MQTT file and paste the line just inside the main function. The sensor can now be accessed using the variable water level. Return to the water level file to find the line that reads in the water level's value. It will be in the loop as level equals water level.getReading. Copy the reading line for level value. In the MQTT file, you need to scroll down to where the data is sent to Adafruit. This is near the end. Look for the if publish line and the publish to Adafruit IO comment. Paste the lines below the comment. You now need to indent the line to the correct position. Next, you need to send the level to Adafruit. To do this, change the Wi-Fi link.publish data line second and third arguments. Change the second argument, the feed name, to water level. Change the third argument, the sensor's reading, to level. Now you need to include the release statement, so return to the water level file. Copy the water level.release line. In the MQTT file, navigate to the other release statements near the bottom and paste in the new line. Now you are ready to run the script. Run the script now. It will connect to the Wi-Fi and then Adafruit. This may take time. Once connection is established, you will see that the data is being sent to Adafruit once approximately every 8 seconds. Now accessing the water level feed, you should see the data is being received as expected. At this stage, you can use a damp cloth or sponge to moisten the sensor if you wish and set its output to over 10,000. An action will now be created on the Adafruit account to trigger if the water reading is less than 10,000. Open the Actions area on Adafruit. Select the New Action option. Then select the option, No, Use the form. This will be a reactive trigger action type, so choose that option. Select water level in the if block. Select less than in the comparison block. Enter the value 10,000 into the value block. Now choose the Publish a Message to option from the Selection action block. Set the feed to dashboard control. Enter the text, level 2 low, into the with block. Set the limit to every 10 seconds. To store the settings, click Submit to save the action. The new action is now listed. You can now test the new trigger action. If not running, start the project and wait until it starts to send the water level data to your Adafruit feed. Unless your sensor is wet, you should see the program has reacted to the low level by sending the level 2 low message to the Pico. Use a damp cloth or sponge to vary the sensor's value to show its range and prove the action works. This completes the activity.